Greetings, how to buy Ravencoin. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of cryptocurrencies.net. In this video I will show you easiest way to buy Ravencoin, how to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Ravencoin. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section you can use 20% commission kickback links and codes. Now, this is our website cryptocurrencies.net. On this website you can get all information about all cryptocurrencies. So easy. Now, how to buy Ravencoin. Firstly, we should go Ravencoin page and click. On this page we can get all information about Ravencoin. So easy. Videos, Binance codes. Now, how to buy Ravencoin. Just one click. Let's go.